Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. We are here at North Cheonyeon province and we are about to explore traditional cloth dyeing process also known as Cheonyeon Yeomsaek. So in this pretty fine morning, enjoying the natural scenery and heading towards the workshop. Actually, this Cheonyeon Yeomsaek, which means natural dyeing, here in Korea, sek means color. So this is the center and our workshop has begun. Instructions were about colors and how we can do it. In Korea, the Cheonyeon Yeomsaek or the natural dyeing, it began during the Three Kingdoms period, 4th to 7th century, and this Three Kingdom included Goryeo, Baekje and Silla dynasty. As the work was on progress, the instructors coming to us and they were assisting. So at first, cloths are designed into a particular shape, and after that, based on this shape, colors are being added. So after giving different shapes, now it's time to dye the cloth. We gathered here to dye our cloths. Since it's a natural dyeing process, so these colors are actually obtained from natural source like animal, plant, insect. So you can see how the dyeing is going. So after the dyeing is done, then the cloths are squeezed like this and all the knots that were bound, so those are untied. Then the clothes are taken for wash. As you see, this is what it has become. So everyone is holding their clothes to dry it in sunlight. So when the drying is finished, the clothes are ready to use, as you can see. So okay, after finishing the workshop, it's time to return. Thank you very much for being with me. Hoping to see you again in another vlog. Till then, goodbye.